Hey guys, what's cracking? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie if you're new here, so hi, what's up? So as many of you know and where many of you came from, I made a room redo video a while back and for some reason it blew up. And I realized that my closet is just as bad as my room was. So I'm gonna make a two-part series of cleaning out my closet. So if you haven't seen part one, you can check it out in one of these corners. I don't remember which one, but it's one of them. I did this part of my closet and the dresser, and I did organize these dresser drawers, but the stuff in there is more like supposed to be in a drawer. So I already organized those off camera, etc, etc. But I did show you how I decorated this area and it turned out really cool. So if you want to check that out, be sure to go check out part one on my channel. Today is part two of going through my closet, and let me tell you, some of it is uniform stuff because my school requires uniforms, which is, you know, it is what it is. So I'm not gonna go through any of that stuff just to, you know, like keep some privacy, and also it doesn't really need to be organized. So the two areas that I'm gonna be going through today are this whole side of my closet and this area up here. That's what's happening, and that's what I'm gonna be going through today. What I'm gonna be doing with the clothes that I don't keep, I have a ton of younger cousins who will gladly take these out of my hands, so they'll be hand-me-downs, and if they don't want the hand-me-downs, then I will be donating them. I'm not selling any of my clothes as far as I know, so if you're interested in that, that is not what I am here for today. This is just simply organizing and going through my closet. Let's just get started. Okay, so the first area that I'm going to be focusing on are these shirts because there are so many of them. I just kind of cram them in here. I don't think I've gone through this in years. If there's still stuff in here, like from 2012, I sincerely apologize. Let's just put it that way. So this is the first shirt. This is keep. This Take a Hike shirt, my Hamilton merch. I have this adorable purple like mock neck, and this one from the Cavern. Oh, I got this adorable like cropped sweater. And I have this cute shirt, ties in the back, and then this shirt. Oh, this is good. These two things I embroidered myself. I got this a little while ago and I love it. It can be strapless, so the straps don't really stay on that well, but it's adorable. And then I just have a Clash t-shirt, and yes, I listen to all the bands that I have band t-shirts of. I don't believe in gatekeeping clothes or gatekeeping bands, so if you want to wear a band t-shirt and you don't listen to them, props to you, whatever. Okay, then I have this just black tank top, and then I have this shirt. This is again the Cavern in Liverpool, and this shirt is my like dad Hawaiian shirt. I love this thing. This yellow top is really cute. I wore it in my senior pictures fits video. If you haven't seen that, you can watch it here. And then I have this t-shirt, which is my boyfriend's shirt, but I stole it because I like it. This is also my boyfriend's shirt that I stole because I like it. This one is just another plain tank top, but I really like the way it looks. This top is more like fall-ish, I would say, but it's just adorable striped mock neck shirt. This shirt's adorable. I got this for the fall as like a layering piece, and I'm loving it. This top, again, love it. It's just the green version of that last shirt that I had. This one is the Who. This shirt is super cute. It just ties either in the front or in the back. This zip up shirt. This is another like big oversized sweater that I got. This shirt, it's a mock neck like cropped kind of sweater. This is a flannel. These are just a few of my staple turtlenecks. We have a white one, a black one, and a striped one. This is my boyfriend's hoodie, definitely keeping this. And then I just have this collared t-shirt. Again, this is another sweatshirt situation. Really colorful stripes. If you can't tell, I love stripes, so there's that. And then I have this green turtleneck. This is my Grand Valley sweatshirt. This is just a plain white like button down shirt. This is an orange sweater that I have. This, again, boyfriend's, not mine, but keeping it, of course. This is something that my sister thrifted and didn't want, so I wear it now and I really like it. It's like this 3/4 zip, another turtleneck, but this is super long. It's like a dress. I styled it with like a belt. Then I just have these plain black and white t-shirts. I feel like you can never go wrong with just having a black and white t-shirt. Then this is just a white sweater that I have. I wear it all the time. This is my Crazy Cousin Crew shirt that my mom had made for us and all of our cousins. So Gotta keep that one. The Clash, another Clash t-shirt. This shirt I got for Christmas. It said love is all you need, which is a Beatles reference. This is literally my favorite sweater of all time. It's like this big, like fluffy cardigan. I love the color of it, so that's a definite keep. This shirt I got a little while back. This is just, I have like black and white shirts in every style of shirt. I have like tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeve. So this is the long sleeve black shirt. Again, another flannel, except this one is yellow and the other one is blue. Then I have this striped sweater. I don't know if you got the memo, but I really like striped sweaters because the best time to wear a striped sweater is actually all the time. I again have another really long turtleneck that I kind of wear as a dress situation with like tights and a belt. Again, another big fuzzy cardigan. This is my Hawkins volleyball shirt. Then this is my concert t-shirt from Daniel Caesar when I went last summer. I was supposed to see Harry Styles yesterday, but that didn't happen, so this button down, or it's not button down, I guess it's like there's like a v-neck. I know it kind of looks like a grandma's couch, but I think it looks cute. Then, okay, I love this. I have this super cool zip up. I love this. I thrifted this a couple years ago. Why do I keep seeing years ago? Months ago. No mistakes, just happy accidents. Bob Ross shirt. Then I have these two superhero shirts. It's Captain America and Wonder Woman. And I have these especially because we have a lot of like theme days at our school. And one of them, I swear, is always superhero day. So then I have this Beatles t-shirt and a Pink Floyd t-shirt. Then I just have this really cool crop top. Then I have my Rex Orange County shirt. Yeah, self-explanatory. This might be a little controversial. I have this Colleen Ballinger shirt. I saw her live a while ago. I guess she's a little controversial now, but like, this is my Cedar Point shirt. This is my Saugatuck sweatshirt. Then I have this Paramount Pictures shirt that I got at Paramount Studios in LA. This is my Disneyland t-shirt. Me and my cousins have matching ones. This is my Hufflepuff. I am a Hufflepuff. Then I have this cropped sweater. It's a sweatshirt, I guess. And I have these shorts. Honestly, they look like they'd fit me. I didn't even know these existed, so I'm gonna keep these. Then I have these two sweaters. They're the same sweater but in two different colors. This really heavy white sweater. This is really good, especially when it's really cold outside. And then all of these shirts are like memory / like merch shirts. This one's from The Lion King. This one's from Wicked. This one's from my sister's production of Annie. This is from when we saw the Rockettes. And this is from Bronner's because me and my cousins have matching ones. If you can't tell, that's kind of a theme in our family, is matching t-shirts. And then the last shirts that I have are these Chevrolet shirts that I got from the Indy 500. I just have this Topshop white t-shirt, but the problem is that it's super see-through and it's not my size anymore, so. And then I have this pink striped like tank top. This one is the black version of the white top that I showed before, which I will be getting rid of because I got a new one. It's not the same brand, but it's like the same idea, just like a shorter cropped black shirt, so done. This shirt, I have had this thing since like freshman year. I used to wear this religiously, but it doesn't fit me and it's just not my style anymore, so. And same thing with this shirt, I've had it forever. This top, I don't know where I got it. I don't think I've ever worn it. I call this one my dish towel t-shirt because it kind of looks like a dish towel. This shirt is from American Eagle. I got it years ago, like ages ago. Then I have this gray sweater, this tie-dye sweatshirt. Again, haven't worn it, not going to wear it. This is like a long gray cardigan that I have had forever. Then I just have this Do What You Love shirt. Then I have this tank top. I genuinely think the last time I wore this was like 6th grade. This shirt, I never wear this and I probably should, but I don't. This dress, and I have been through it. Now I definitely don't fit into this. This shirt says New York Soho. It's from Brandy Melville. I don't fit into Brandy Melville anymore, so. I don't know if you can see this huge pile of randomness that is not organized whatsoever. These are all my jeans, shorts, whatever else. These shorts, high-waisted, keep. These shorts I just discovered, so keep. These are my pearl shorts. I love these things. I think I'm gonna wear these today. A pair of like plain black jeans. If I need a pair of simple black jeans, those are the ones I'm going to. Then I have these. Oh my god, I love these. These are like a maroon corduroy and they button all the way up. These jeans, I just got these and they are my favorite jeans of all time. They're called chic high-rise straight jeans. These jeans, same thing, black normal jeans, but they have holes in them for when I'm feeling a little bit more edgy. I have these shorts that I made for 4th of July last year, but I did not celebrate 4th of July this year, so I haven't worn these in over a year, and I don't know when I'm gonna wear them again, but I've spent a lot of time altering them and putting these patches in the sides, so I'm not getting rid of them. Then I have these shorts. I love these. They're super cute, but they're like mom shorts. They're a lot more like high-rise and like bigger, so I love these. These corduroy, like super huge, not even mom jeans, like grandpa jeans, and they remind me of like grandpa core, you know? Then I have this pair of white jeans and they button up all the way. Then these jeans I love. I got them at a thrift shop and then I painted them. So this is the front of the pant leg, and then the back pockets have these adorable designs on them. This pair of ripped jeans, they're just ripped at the knee. Then I recently got these shorts. Then I have this pair of like white American Eagle shorts. These are my boyfriend's and I should probably give them back to him. So I'm gonna do that. I wore them once for an event and I'll probably borrow them again, but for now I'm gonna give them back. These American Eagle shorts that are way too small. Then I have these jeans, also my boyfriend's, gonna give them back because I don't really wear them because I have a new pair of jeans that I just bought, so. Then I have these jeans that rip all the way up. However, I don't really wear skinny ripped jeans anymore, so I think this one's gonna be a no. Then I have these stripe jeans. I'm over them and they don't fit, so. And then these two pairs, I have this pair and this pair. They don't fit, unfortunately, and I've just been kind of putting them back, but they don't fit, so. And then you can't really see, but down here in this compartment, I just have a bunch of like athletic stuff and like sweatpants. I went through that like super recently, so I don't really need to go through it, but I just have some leggings and sweatpants and stuff. It's not exciting. Okay, so I organized all the jeans. I put the shorts, regular jeans, and then like colorful fancy jeans over here. Now I'm going to go through my sweatshirts up there. So I have this Notre Dame, what would you call this, crew neck? So that's a keep. Then I have this San Diego hoodie. This navy crew neck, which is more of a shirt, so I think I'm gonna hang that up. I didn't even know I owned this. It's a hoodie from my school. And then these three I like, and those are all from memory, so we're good there. Okay, so I finished up here these sweatshirts. Then I'm going to hang up all the shirts that I'm keeping on this rack, but I'm gonna hang it up strategically so that I put more of like the fall stuff in the back, like fall, winter, and then spring, summer stuff more in the front. Okay, so I finished hanging everything up and it looks so much less cluttered. Ta-da! And we're done. And now the last area that we are going to be working on are like my fancy clothes. So that's what we're gonna do. This dress I just wore for senior pictures, so obviously whoa. Obviously I'm keeping it. Good lord. This skirt I just got, it's super cute. It ties in the back, so that's adorable. This dress I just got and I absolutely love it. It's just like a plain black dress, but it dresses up and down really well. Then I got this skirt. I actually have two of these because I ordered two different sizes. and then realized that they were non-returnable. So here's the other one. Then I have these adorable striped pants, and I have this tank top. Okay, I just thought I'd show you guys these pants because they're super cool. They're like these bright red pants. Also, I'm not gonna go through everything like I did with those because I kind of have an idea and can easily gauge like what's in here. And I recently, like very recently, went through this because of senior pictures and everything, so I'm not too concerned about getting rid of a bunch of stuff. After I hang everything up, I'm gonna move on to this bin of bathing suits because, yeah. But I thought before we move on to this, I'd show you guys my belt collection. It's really, really extensive and there's a lot of them. That was sarcasm because I literally have like 4. So I have this Vans belt, this belt that's like rainbow that I thrifted, this belt that's like a chain, and then I just have this red fabric that I use as a belt, so yeah. Anyways, moving on. Let's talk about what's in this bin. I have this bag full of bags. I have this backpack, which is like my travel backpack, but I haven't traveled in months, so. Then I found this bag full of my old Vera Bradley bags, this bag, and then I have loads of bathing suits. Literally. I think I'm just gonna show you guys the bin because it's kind of hard to explain bathing suits. Okay, there we go. And now that is all organized and ready to go. So I'm pretty sure that's everything. I have a bunch of stuff on my floor right now of stuff that I'm giving away. So I'll show you guys that pile. Okay, and that is all I have for this video. If you didn't see part 1 where I decorated this part of my dresser, be sure to go check that out. But I've been wanting to make this video forever. I just haven't found the motivation to do it. And finally, I did it, and I feel so much better. It's like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders, so I recommend it. If you're thinking about going through your closet, just do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.